So like all things of this channel, I got a new tool and it has diverted me from one project to another, but they all line up in one form or fashion. And this new tool is going to make me some beams because a gentleman gifted me this fine Adze. So an Adze works just like an axe except flat. So I'll be able to stand over it and chip the wood off. We put some chainsaw marks on where we chalk, and that way we can square up the log. I've had this for quite some time, and I really haven't used it because it takes a lot of work that the Adze needs to do first. So this is a 13-inch broad axe for finishing the beams. The Adze, you start on the top and you rough it out, and then you flip the log on its side, and then you go down and clean her up. Now this is for a couple projects, but those are just beams that we're using up our fallen timbers. But if you come over here, this is one of the projects I've been working on. These were going to be stair treads. I'm leaning towards not using them for stair treads. I still have a surprise to show you in regards to the stair video and the treads, and this is part of it. There's another aspect of this particular wood. This is black locust. It's very hard, it's very weather resistant, and it's very beautiful. However, some of these logs have split not so flat fashion. So I'm able to take some down with the Adze before we start working it and get these nice big chips off of it. And that just helps level it out, and then I can come through and plane it. You know, unless we get a portable mill up here. Anywho, part of that also is that because for the stairs I need them to be straight, obviously, but flat, and then workable as far as the width. And I have 1, 2.5, and then some large pieces still up here that I haven't even cut yet. So if I can do it, I might use it. Otherwise, it might become a different project because this stuff is very, very weather resistant, rot resistant. It's also very beautiful. And then I gotta get one more thing delivered, and I'll show you the really cool thing about these and why I was gonna use them as stair treads. However, this is very hard wood. It's one of the hottest burning woods per BTU. So we'll see. I don't know if we're going to get to the stair treads. I kind of want to get that project done and over with. And this is still a lot more work. So I think I can use these in another project, which I think will be very cool. Because if I have halves, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, a little one, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I almost have enough to do the stair treads. So we'll do it a maybe. But anyway, this is just a quick update video, and then I'll talk a little bit more about the maker of this axe and why these Adze are harder to find than you would think just purchasing online. Anywho, I will do some updated videos, especially of me hewing out some beams, and I have a couple new tools in addition to the Adze to show off, and I'm planning to do that on a whole new series. And get some of these old projects wrapped up so they're not as boring. All right, y'all. Cheers.